Hi, this is Aaron at Taylor & Sons. I'm going to do a real quick walk around video here on our Toyota 4Runner just to show the exterior condition. I'm just going to focus on purely the blemishes or things I'd want to know about before I came and took a look at this puppy. All in all, this thing's in standing tall, real good condition. There's real insignificant, like maybe 3 components here to point out. So starting with this front here, there is one rock chip right there, real low below the trim line there. Going around, the most significant and thing that's very common with these is the fender flares. They kind of stick out, and for that reason they catch a little bit of debris as you go down the road. So just the fender flare itself has a few little dings from rocks hitting it on that leading edge, which is so common on almost every vehicle that has these types of fender flares. But it's just in the plastic fender flare, not in the body of the car or the paint itself. The rest of it is flawless. Looks like one rock chip right there next to the door handle for scale. All right, moving around to the rear here. Lift gate and bumpers and all that look in really good condition. Now, we just did a quick wash in this to get a video out for some interested parties, but so it still needs a little better cleanup. There's still a few little road grime scuffs that'll come off in detail when it gets detailed here. All right, passenger side, same deal. There's a little road grime that needs to come off. It's just grime. Same story on the other side of the fender flare, down low mostly. But again, doors, the rest of the body in flawless condition. And if you're looking to nitpick this thing for any blemishes or whatever, that is really it. All in all, very beautiful 4Runner. I do appreciate the interest. I'll take a quick video. It has not been detailed or even washed in any way on the inside, so has yet to have that done and will look beautiful when done. But this is how it came in, so real clean interior as well for it being traded in and not being touched. Gauge cluster, shifter, center console. These folks were an older couple. I don't think that anybody had ever sat in the back seat. Oh, let me. Back seats. And cargo area. And there is a third row under here. Cargo mat looks beautiful. Seat backs, doesn't look like they've been folded down or anything drug across the carpeting on the back. And there's that third row that pops up underneath there. Was never used by the previous owner, so in new condition. All right, well, there you have our more expedited quick walk around video of our Toyota 4Runner. This is Aaron for Taylor & Sons signing off. Thanks.